Today I want to introduce another series of video where we'll be talking about how you can actually deploy your Django application. So we'll unpack everything from actually dockerizing your application to also doing some server configuration using an Ubuntu server. So in this video I'm just going to do some introduction of how you can set up your application, how you can create a new DigitalOcean account and create up your first project. So then in the next ones we'll continue with how you can configure your Docker Compose, and how you can set up your server configurations. So if you're looking into deploying your application using DigitalOcean, Django and Docker, then this video is right for you. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to head over to DigitalOcean.com. So I already have an account, so I'm just going to hit on login to log in into my account. So once you're logged in, they will redirect you inside this dashboard over here. First thing is to create a new project. That is what will contain everything that you're working on for that particular project. So for the next one that I'm going to demonstrate for you is that you need to create one. We are going to call it Django application. I'm just going to leave it as Django app. Then you can also give it a description. So right now we don't have any resources here. We're just going to skip that for now, and then it will create us a new. So let's go ahead and create a new droplet. So just choose create droplet. Then all you need to do is to choose your region. So we're just going to switch. Let's go to this location over here to see if it's gonna. Okay, so it's not available still. We are just going to test it out. Sydney. Yeah, so yes, it's available in Sydney. Just note that some packages won't be available in some regions, so just remember to switch around. Okay, so I'm going to choose this one. Then we are going to go to the next one, that is add volume. I won't add volumes for now, so I'm not going to add backups for now. I'm just going to turn it off. I'll do it when the right time comes. Password for this case, then just apply a strong password. So then say create droplet. Once you've set up everything, the project name is Django app. Then lastly just say create droplet. So that might take a second to be able to create. As you can see, the process has started. Let's just give it time. So Docker is just a tool that is designed to make it easier to create, deploy and run our applications using containers. So instead of manually deploying your applications or installing the packages directly into the server, you can use a tool like Docker, which will make it easier for you to create and deploy and run your own application using containers. So traditionally we normally have like manual installation of our packages into our servers, which is something that I don't recommend you to do for now. So instead you can use a tool like Docker. We can package your application into lightweight and portable containers. Let's go back to our application to see if it's already done. So yes, you can see that the application has been created. So we do have one droplet. It's called Django server. It also gives you a static IP. You can see that we do have the IP address that we've been given. The droplet is on. You can also upsize the droplet if you want, if your project grows. Yes, then we also have the networking here, the access. Just in case you want to change your root password, you can always come over here and reset the root password. So that is it for our DigitalOcean setup, how you can create up your first droplet and how you can sign up. Then the next thing that you're going to do in our next video is how you can start working with Docker, how you can do all the settings such as the Docker file, the Docker ignore, the Docker Compose and the Nginx configurations. So that is what we are going to handle in our next videos. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video. If you found some value inside this one, remember to give it a like and subscribe if you haven't. So that's it for today, and see you in the next one.